In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website on your phone, a full tutorial for 2025. Let's dive right in, starting with logging into your Wix account. To do this, you'll use the same credentials you typically would on a desktop. In case you manage more than one website, make sure you choose the particular site you wish to make edits to from your dashboard. This is an essential step as it will ensure you're making changes to the correct site. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to access the site editor. This is your main control room where all the magic happens. Tap on the option that says Manage Site and then proceed to select Edit Site. What you'll see next is a streamlined, mobile-friendly version of the editor. It's specifically optimized to be used comfortably on mobile devices. The interface might look slightly different from the desktop version, but rest assured it has all the functionalities you'll need. Now, let's move on to making those quick edits. If you need to change any text on your website, simply tap on the text element and you'll be able to edit the content directly. It's straightforward and makes updating information on the go a breeze. For images, just tap the image you wish to modify and you'll have the option to replace it, crop it, or even upload new visuals entirely. This can be very handy for keeping your site fresh and up to date with the latest content and visuals. Similarly, if you have buttons or links on your site that need to redirect to new destinations, you can update these right through the editor by tapping on them and setting the new paths. If your website includes a store, a blog, or uses Wix bookings, there are additional tools to manage these features. You can add new products, change prices, or even keep track of orders directly from your mobile. You also have the capability to publish new blog posts to keep your readers engaged with fresh content. And if you're using Wix bookings, managing appointments can be done smoothly on the go, perfect for ensuring you never miss out on any important engagements. Before wrapping up any editing session, it's a wise practice to preview your changes. Always take a moment to see how these edits will appear in mobile view. This step is crucial because the way elements display on a mobile can be quite different from desktop, affecting the user experience on smaller screens. Once you're sure everything looks just right, tap the preview button. If satisfied, all that's left is to hit publish and your updates will go live. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently and effortlessly edit your Wix website right from your mobile device. Thanks for joining me and happy editing.